Welcome to my film news. Today I'm going to update you about Dr. Khumalo, Kaizer Chiefs legend, says about Coach Nabi. Dr. Khumalo. They said it is a long walk to freedom. They sent Moses to take out the children out of Egypt. Then a man came from Tunisia and said, Dr. Mtawonge, I am here. He gave Kaizer Chiefs supporters what they've been waiting for. Even Kaizer Chiefs legends can see that Nabi is a man for the job, and only a guy who doesn't want Nabi is Junior Khan. Crazy guy. Nabi is the man for the job. Even legend says he gives a budget, then you can give him charge from there. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel.